Do some work on the iPad, and then you can have some crisps. Okay. So let's do big and small. Find the small spoon. Good, the small spoon.
Find the big.
The big spoon. Which is the big spoon? Raz, the big spoon.
Find the big.
Big spoon, that's right. Looking.
Find small.
Where's the small spoon? Good boy, the small spoon.
Find the big.
Oh, Raz, the big spoon.
Find the big.
Which is the big spoon? Big! Well done. Wow, wow.
The big.
Big, Raz. Which is the big spoon?
Big.
Good boy, the big spoon. Yay, good boy. Raz, iPad finished. Now you can have one of your crisps. Good boy.